Hi everybody, this is a Lexus RX 400H and the customer is here because they had an aftermarket catalytic converter installed that got stolen when they had during their trip. So we're going to go ahead and install the original catalytic converter with the muffler pipe underneath this car. And how it works is it connects from the downpipe, converter, and the muffler all the way down to the axle is one piece. So this is what the actual unit looks like. This is the original Toyota part, and that's what customer wants. This connects to the rear of the axle assembly near the differential. This is your muffler and the hanger for the muffler connection. Then you're gonna have this part connected to the downpipe, and this one has a donut gasket right there. So, and some of those aftermarket ones have a bad reputation for losing the honeycomb, and material starts to fly in, clogging the muffler and the other muffler back in there. So the customer does not want that kind of situation. They're very careful with their car. They like all the original and good parts on them. So that's what we're putting on. To do this, you can do it by yourself. First thing we'll do is we'll remove this bolt here, and then I'll remove the front bolts. After that, I'll remove the back hanger. Then I'll slide this one back, dropping the entire system in place. And for the installation, I'll do the reverse. So to get these bolts out, you got to be careful. These are spring-loaded bolts like that. Now this is disconnected. Let's go in the back. There we go. The back bolts are same. These are also spring-loaded. We're going to remove these like so. This is the only section remaining. Everything else we're replacing. So now let's get to this hanger. You're gonna need a pry bar to get this rubber piece off the hanger here. If you can apply WD-40 or grease on here, that help you. If you don't have any pry bar, do you use a channel lock plier to squeeze, and then it will come easy. I move the rubber hanger back, apply the grease at the edge of the hanger, then I'll take my pry bar on. And now we gotta remove this guy here. Sorry. There you go. So there you go. Here's the unit I took out of the car, and here's our new unit. You can see what we're replacing it with. So this right here is a MagnaFlow's universal unit, and that's what they used here. You can see the O2 sensor bong, which is not needed. This is another headache to leak later, give you all sort of problems. Once you get the rear hangers lined up, this side lines up very easily. You can see we don't even have to worry about pushing on anything. What I do is I grease the new hanger points on the new exhaust so it can slide and extremely easily. We're going to tighten these bolts. So you're going to tighten these bolts, both of them, until the spring seats all the way, like this. Perfect. You can see the gasket seated properly. Same goes for these front ones. These line up pretty good. Tighten these up. Double check your hangers. See, when you install lubricant on the hangers, they slide out nice and well. Dampers here. We're going to tighten this up, and that's what it takes to install the OEM third converter with the muffler on your Toyota Lexus RX 400H, or most of the Toyotas use the same one. This is a Toyota part number 2. So thanks for watching, everybody. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.